This is a room tour and how I set up our room for a family of 3 for 7 nights on Odyssey of the Seas. It is deck 12, room 250. 250. Our port side. We are here. Okay. Oh, they give you a dummy. Let's turn this down. It is very warm. I'm a bit out of breath. I walked up 7 flights of steps. Here is our room with Evian. Whew. I had to take my sweater off. It's very hot out there. Yay! All right, let's do a room tour. This is a room tour of 12,250 port side aft. And so far, by the way, I love this room. I'm gonna give you a tour of the room and then I'm gonna show you it after we unpack because we are on this baby for 7 nights. So as you walk in, you have a full size. Child is sleeping. We have a trash can, lots of different plugs here, a little area for makeup, which is nice. I ordered a bunch of waters. Hair dryer looks crappy. Drawers, 4 drawers, and I'm assuming a cooler. Yeah, a lamp that doesn't move. I love the blue, like, fake grass cloth. A Royal King. A TV that does not swivel. Looks like you have storage up here. Pillows. Oh, that's probably for the bed. A nightstand, a phone with some little open drawers. A safe. Nice, with hangers and extra towels. Drawers down here. Nothing on this side. Do you hear our neighbors? They're so loud. Open shelves, regular outlet, more storage. They are so loud. That's hard. Oh, it's angled. That's interesting. Hanging here. It is a small room. The bathroom. So no closed storage. Everything is open. Very tiny sink. Little trash can. Toilet cleaner. This is tight. It opens like this. Okay, big bonus points. A shaving ledge! Oh, is that a light? No, that's not a light. A rainforest. Hair and body wash. Good thing I bought conditioner. A little hook inside. Why would you need a hook inside? That's weird. Hook outside. Hooks on the door. This is a very, very tight space for 3 people for a week. Wow. But we do have 6 drawers. Yeah. Cute. So we have, what is that, USB and 2 outlets, no USB-C. Oh, 5 drawers, which I could put my makeup in here. I guess I'll set my makeup in here. All right, let's check out the balcony. I'm so excited. We got a bump out. Oh my gosh, good job. Independence did not have this. This is amazing. We are on the bump out with an extended balcony and I absolutely love it. You have footstools. It reclines. You have 2, 1 and 2. I'm so excited. Oh, you can see the Statue of Liberty. This is so nice. And then this is the band that kids have to wear, a safety band. So they have to wear it the entire cruise on Royal, and it just gives their muster station. So if she ever gets lost, that they know where to bring her. Biggest complaints with Independence of the Seas were the kids club, much better on Odyssey. The food, at least with the Windjammer, much better on Odyssey. And now the bed test. It's better. Is it great? It's not Disney, but it's better. Yay! Are you ready to see our home away from home for a week?
Do we have a suite?
No, this is the suite. But look at our balcony. We have a view of...
Oh, the city.
Look how big it is, Daddy.
Look at the bathroom.
Beautiful.
Look.
We should turn off the bathroom.
Look how nice this is.
Oh, I think we can see Statue of Liberty.
You can. She's right there.
Oh, wow. This is a nice balcony.
Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Very high. You don't climb, Landon, ever. Look how nice this is.
I see Statue of Liberty.
Yeah. Wanted to give you a quick tour of the stateroom. Now that we've packed it up with 3 people, it's not as bad. I mean, it's 7 nights, so I wasn't sure. And our housekeeping stopped by, and it's actually a woman, which is very rare for a cruise ship, and I just prefer that, having a little girl. I don't know. So let's start with this. I got these on the Disney cruise on the Disney Magic last time, so I thought these were really cute to put out on our door. So Lana put exploring the ship because her and Daddy went to go do that. I think it's snacks at El Loco Fresh, so we'll see how good that is. And then this is going to be my makeup area and charging station because you have 2 USB and 2 regular charging. We have a sunglass station with sunglass cleaner. This is the bag I'm going to use. That's my margarita from earlier, which was actually pretty good. So I'm going to use a crossbody bag. I have my pills, Landon's vitamins in there, some curling iron and lotion and stuff like that. This is workout clothes, t-shirts, Landon and my underwear bra, Landon's PJs, pirate dress, and casual clothes. I'm always on this side of the bed, so I have my travel charger, which actually Phil just has a USB in the phone and not an actual outlet. Then I have my Kindle and my glasses and my Advil and my chapstick and my AirPods. Up here I put my new base backpack, which I'm so happy with for my carry-on. And that we're going to use like for shore excursions, like to Kennedy Space Center and the pirate ship. So I have my PJs and our beach bag, and then those are pillows and there's still obviously plenty of room. Pillows, I think, for Landon. We grabbed the extra blanket to use outside. So I have his Kindle, his AirPods, and the white noise machine I brought, which is hooked up to the phone. And here you can see my feathers, my New Year's Eve outfit, and dresses for every night on the cruise ship, and a wrap, extra towels, my swim, Landon swim, safe, New Year's Eve purse, my casual clothes up there. So that actually worked really well. Phil got all of his stuff in these 2 drawers, and he put his shoes somewhere over here. Where did he hide them? Oh, I think he put them under the bed. So his shoes, which I think he just brought 2 or 3 pair, go under there. His flip-flops are here. I don't know what this thing is for. That's interesting. When the housekeeping came, I asked if she could put like any special egg crates on it. She said she will use a super thick duvet and fold it in half, so it should be comfortable. So we'll see. There's a trash can here and a trash can in the bathroom. So I forgot to show you this when it was full, but all my husband's clothes fit up top, and then my daughter's dresses went on the bottom, and plenty of room on the bottom there for all of our shoes. So I had magnetic hooks to put here and here on the walls because all the walls are magnetic. I think they're sitting on my desk at home. I totally forgot them. But there's a good amount of hooks here. So my jean jacket, her jean jacket, and this thing is awesome. It's a bag net, so if you want to hang your bag, it's so strong. So Phil used this for his hanging toiletry bag. Flushable butt wipes. I hate this. It gets hard and difficult to get out of the dish soap. So I brought my own foaming pump soap, which is nice. This is Landon's bag, but I put both of our stuff for brushing your teeth in here. Wrinkle releaser we brought for mommy, daughter, masks. Phil got these for me for Christmas and my daughter loves them. You know what's crazy about this? There is not, oh, this is, I bring her Yeti and her sippy cup for at night, spill proof. So I bring this, it's a cleaning kit for that. There is not one outlet in here at all. The thing up here says shavers only. So there's no outlet. So in here, okay, just big shout out again. Shaving ledge. I can't understand why they would have this in here. Oh, I know what it's for. Usually they have the string to hang your bathing suits. So the bathing suit can drip here. That's what it's for. Okay, so in here they just have hair and body wash. No conditioner, it's all in one. So I brought a conditioner, but I didn't bring enough for the whole family. But I have face wash, a gua sha, razor, and face scrub. So I think I'm gonna go to the shop and pick up some conditioner. And I think that's it. I'm surprised how well a family of 3 can fit in here. One thing I will say, this thing is not cold at all. But I filled up her Yeti and her sippy cup with water to try to chill it. It's really not cold. All right, I'm gonna go meet the fam at El Loco Fresh. This is really cool, Phil. It's a magnet. So if you're sleeping, do not disturb. You just put the magnet out front. That's neat. Wow, look at the Landon bed.
Yeah, where's the tower animal?
Yeah, no tell animal.
No telling them.
Let's see what knots we're up to. 27
Oh my
now.
goodness.
Another nice feature, I went into the bathroom at night and they had this small little light on, which is really nice when you're very sleepy in the middle of the night. So we really enjoyed our room. There will be more vlogs and videos about Odyssey of the Seas.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.